How to recover permanently deleted photos and videos on iPhone, iPad, or MacBook. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recover photos and videos that were permanently deleted from your iPhone, iPad, or iMac using built-in tools and backups. So let's get started. The first thing is you can head over to your photos and here you'll be able to see this option that says recently deleted. So you're going to click on it, and once you do so, you'll be able to see all of the photos, videos, or anything that you have deleted over here. But note that if 30 days have passed since you have deleted those pictures or videos, you wouldn't be able to retrieve them through recently deleted. To do that, what you're going to do is simply head over to your settings. Here, you'll be able to see an option of iCloud. So simply click on iCloud. And once you do so, you'll be able to see options like these. So you're going to click on photos over here. So once you click on photos, you'll be able to see this option that says sync this iPhone. So you're going to simply head over, toggle this button on in order to sync your iPhone to your iCloud, and all of your photos will be synced to your iCloud. Now, next, you're going to head over to any of the search engine you have and simply search for iCloud.com. And then you'll be taken over to your iCloud. Simply log into your iCloud, and then here you're going to click on photos and you'll be able to see all of the photos that you have synced to your iCloud from your phone's gallery. And then you can recover those photos from here. Even if you delete them on your device, you'll be able to see them on your iCloud, and you can recover those photos or videos from here. So that is basically how you can recover permanently deleted photos and videos on iPhone, iPad, or Mac. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.